Come in here. I found some candy. Really? Ugh. I'll show him. Perfect. Oh, this game is great. Okay. That's it. Truce. Do you think you're funny? I try. Well, there is a secret creature in this video. And we'll see you all next time.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys right to bed.
Hi guys, I'm Ethan. Today we are at California scenery and stuff.
Let's go take a look around.
Yeah.
Make sure you clean up your toys. The shark can help you.
Okay. Dinosaur. Yeah, sure. Over right there. Another dinosaur. I got this part. Short grasshopper. Hi, Uncle. Hi, I'm Ethan. Hey guys, and recently we've got our Facebook page. And if you have any good ideas for a video, just let us know. Hi, my name's Ethan. Today we're doing virtual reality.
Really do? These things are just made out of cardboard. We just ordered them on Amazon. They're like $10. All right, you ready to try it?
Yeah!
All right. Here it is.
Hi! Okay. There's a big turn. Oh, it's one of those blimps. Uh-oh.
Are you ready to try?
Yeah!
All right. Okay, here we go. Where's the balloon?
Right there. I don't see it.
I think you got to look at the start button there. Then it will go. But this one goes upside down, so it really feels like you're going. But then the key is when you put it in these things,
You can look around.
what you got to do is turn it into goggle mode. So when you press this,
Only one, we're just starting with little bases. You can download a movie one, you can download.
yeah, there's one eye. You can see the elephant over there. Let me move this.
What are we gonna do? I've got an idea. I hope that package comes soon. It's here! It's here! And open box, throw at rat, and then run away. Sounds easy enough. Take this, rat! Open the door and see what it is. Ready? Yeah. You go inside now. Remember that you don't show these snakes. See, look at this snake. He looks fine. He looks very friendly. I'm out of here. And as usual, like and subscribe. To me. You'll never win, evil robot. We shall see. Cool. I can't see anything. There's something in my eyes. Oh well. You gotta see this cool robot I got. What are you doing? All I have to do is press this button on my dog tag and I'll go. Correct? I think so. Wilderness, like big mountains and like bears. Bears? Huh? Wait, what is that? Chloe, no! I can't believe Ethan didn't teleport with me. What a scaredy cat. It's not working. Oh great, I'm stuck here. This thing is broken. Holy, this thing's fried. I think I have another one of these in the house. The Venom Hacker! Fun on me? I don't think so. Bullseye. Man, that was my last dart too. I gotta hurry up and get that piece so I can.
You're running out of time.
Whatever. It's not my fault. The hacker broke the teleport machine. We need to go back and get him. What did I do to the teleport machine? I'll show you. Come on. Kidding me? Show yourself. Where are you? I know you're in here still.
You're about to see a lot of people in the ultimate battle.
Ultimate battle? What are you talking about? Wait, where are we?
And prepare for the ultimate battle. You will go head to head with 4
Alright, whatever.
cells.
So apparently. Sneak in. No.
Pay attention. One winner. Find weapons crates and take out your opponents. If you lose, winner gets $20.
Awesome! Oh yeah!
Let's get him!
On! Buy a carrot!
Sweet! I got Hulk gloves! Yes, over there! Yeah! Yeah, let's go! There! Right here! Right here! Just got wrecked! Sorry, buddy. It didn't have to be like this. Sneaky kid. Oh, got wrecked by a pinwheel! Oh, you're trying to slip back there! What did you do to it? What did he do to it? Yes! Earned my $20.
Oh, my